Muslims look for the Prophet Moses and the Prophet Jesus.
The stories of the prophets related in the Quran tell of the individual's intellectual struggle against and how they reach the oneness and existence of God. Narratives reveal details of their teachings about God and his religion, their ideological fight against unbelief, and the response of people they invited. The prophets' selflessness, sincerity, fine thinking, and human virtues made them ideal role models. Muslims are aware that all prophets are holy persons. Our Lord believe in all the prophets who have ever
Prophet Moses, peace be upon Israel, enslaved by Pharaoh at the time and gave a book. Moses fought against and people of his own nation, and proved himself a role model by means of his to God and his faith, courage, selflessness, intelligence, motivation, and drive. Of course, Muslims have a sincere respect for and belief in the Prophet Moses, a messenger with a close devotion. The Prophet Jesus, peace be upon him, introduced as the messenger and in the Quran, God reveals information about his life and mission and the miracles. The Prophet Jesus is praised in the Quran as follows. The angel said, "Mary, your Lord gives you good news of a word from him. His name is the Messiah of high esteem in this world and hereafter, and one of those brought near." Of course, the behavior of a Muslim is to love the Prophet Jesus and respect the sight of him and make it close to him. Muslims are excitedly awaiting the coming of the Prophet Jesus, whose miracles for his people are described in the Quran, and earth in the end time strive against it.